Welcome. In your second module, we will explore how to add instructional materials. You will follow similar steps as we did in the previous lesson when we covered course folder and adding materials. Here, from the drop-down menu, you will select folders to add materials similar to what is already shown on the screen. You can select content type that you can add, and when you select, for example, we have external tools, links, add additional files. We can add resources or import resources. We can add pages. There's all of these different options as to what you can create and when you can add into your existing lessons and folders. So we are going to access this tab here, and it is the same step and the same process when we are adding external tools, links, or files. As you click each content type, a slightly different window will appear that needs to be completed to create and add the attachment. So, for example, here we would attach files. We could add or align our learning objectives, and there are additional options. And then you would click Add to create that. You could also go into the same window and click on link to add an external link into your lesson and save as a file, save as a resource within your folders. You would also have to open up the pop-up window once you click it, and you would embed the URL link and provide a title for it. You have your learning objectives that you can align and your additional options and features. You would then click Add. For external tool, it would be the same previous steps, and the pop-up window would have these categories, which is your tool provider, and there is a drop-down menu, and this is what they mean by external tools. So you could add any of these other platforms, create a title, add the URL, add the objectives, and there's the option to assign. Then you would click submit and it would get added into your folder as a link. So resources can also be accessed in order for you to import or find resources. You can access them from a group that you create or a group that you join, and these are materials and files that can be shared publicly or in a group. So for example, here if we click on resources, you go to group, you could create a group, add a group, and you would then here add your content type. And that concludes lesson 2 of this module. Thank you.